You won't believe these places actually exist. Get ready to have your mind blown as we take you on a journey to 5 of the most surreal and breathtaking locations on Earth. First up, we're heading to Socotra Island in Yemen. This remote paradise looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The island's most iconic feature? The dragon blood trees. These alien-like umbrella-shaped trees dot the landscape, their twisted branches reaching for the sky. It's as if you've stepped onto another planet. Next, prepare to be dazzled by the Sala de Uyuni in Bolivia. This vast salt flat transforms into the world's largest mirror during the rainy season. Imagine standing in the middle of an endless expanse of perfectly reflective water where the sky and earth become one. It's a photographer's dream and a truly mind-bending experience. Our third stop takes us to the American Southwest and the mesmerizing Antelope Canyon. As you wander through these narrow slot canyons, you'll be surrounded by smooth, undulating walls of red sandstone. When the sunlight filters through the narrow openings above, the canyon comes alive with an otherworldly glow. It's like walking through a painting. Now, let's jet off to Pamukkale, Turkey. Picture a hillside covered in pristine white terraces, filled with crystal-clear turquoise water. These natural hot springs have created a series of stunning calcium carbonate travertines that cascade down the slope. It's nature's own infinity pool, and it looks too perfect to be real. Finally, we're whisking you away to Zhangjiajie, China. If you've seen the movie Avatar, you might recognize these towering sandstone pillars. These incredible rock formations rise dramatically from the misty forests below, creating a landscape that seems to defy gravity. It's no wonder this place inspired one of the most visually stunning films of all time. From alien trees to glowing canyons, from infinite mirrors to floating mountains, these 5 destinations prove that sometimes, reality is even more incredible than fiction. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore these unbelievable wonders. The world is full of magic, and these places are waiting to show you just how spectacular our planet can be. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime?